Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to check duplicate keywords in Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that you have to simply type in Google Ads in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that you have to simply go to the first website from here, and here you will get the option of sign in and start now. So what is next, you have to just simply click on sign in if you have already an account, and if you don't have an account then you have to just simply go for the start now option from here, and then it will simply take you to a dashboard like this. Then what you need to do is simply click on the tools icon in the left hand side, and from here you have to just simply choose the keyword planner from here, and after that you have to just simply click on the discover new keywords, and after that here you can see that the option of discover new keywords. Here you have to simply type in the keywords that you would like to check. Then after that you have to simply click on the get results, and after that you can simply check that it is duplicate or not. And for making it oversure, then you have to just simply go to the campaigns icon from the left hand side, and from here you have to just simply click on the audiences, keywords and contents, and here in the keywords option, here you will get to see the keywords that are currently running, and you can also check the status from here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.